So for this SE Tracker tool, you can sign up first and put in your email address, enter the verification code, and also your password to sign up. After which you can log in, and you will need to scan the device. So in this case, this is the QR code. Then you can put a nickname, let's say ABC, and then I'm the dad, or you can choose over here like the relationship with the person who is holding on to the watch. So you can say sister. And because I'm not the first user to bind the device, I will need authorization from the first person, because before me, let's say the mother has already bind the watch, so you need verification and authorization from the first user. Yes, so after the first user has authorized the device, then you can go inside the app and you will see a map here. The map here is for real-time location tracking. So like this is where ABC can be found, and then there's the address as well. And because the watch has a step tracker function, so you can track from here. There's also the alert center, alarm clock. You can set 3 alarms, and also you can also take photo remotely. So like for instance, this is a photo that was taken remotely, and also you can also take a look at the timetable, and you can do video calling, and there will be 3 SOS numbers that can be input into the system. So what is important is the tracking frequency. So there is one mode that's updated every 10 minutes, every hour, and also sleep mode. And the sleep mode will be the one that is most power saving, so you don't have to keep charging the watch. Then you can also, these are like all the functions. And one other important thing is also to enable the night power saving. If not, you will sap the energy. Yes, and the reject unknown calls is also very important, because you don't want like strangers to call your child. And that's about it.